Hello, welcome back to another daily Magic the Gathering pack opening. Today we're opening a pack of Innistrad Remastered. Let us get right into this. Looks like we have a clue token at the back. Spore Crawler, Voldarian Epicure, Wretched Throng, Eden Alive, Strength of Arms, Villagers of Estwold, which becomes the Howl Pack of Estwold, Morbid Opportunist, Somberwald Sage, Laboratory Maniac, Gravecrawler, Docent of Perfection, which becomes Final Iteration, Borrowed Hostility, a Braid, a Mountain, and a Human Soldier on the back of that token. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you guys again next time. I hope you have a great rest of your day.